I just spent way too much time making the following ad for free. And after you watch it, I'm going to break down my thought process and give you some peeks into the production of the video itself. But for now, enjoy this 30-second advertisement for Clean Age Deodorant. Parents, it's time. Your kid needs deodorant. So what are you going to settle for? Synthetic Pretty Princess? Chemically scented Jock? This one? Yikes. How about Clean Age? Clean Age is all natural, smells nice, it's made for anybody, and it's not an antiperspirant. Because, fun fact, sweating doesn't cause stinking. Bacteria does. So put down the synthetic stink stick and pick up some all-natural antimicrobial Clean Age. Everything I do starts with a script, so let's start there. Parents, it's time. I decided to focus on the parents because really they're the ones with the money. This also weeds out the non-buyers very early on, which saves you money if you're running ads. Your kid needs deodorant, so what are you going to settle for? Further qualifying, so not just parents, but parents of kids in a certain age range. And then we're identifying disappointment with the traditional offerings. Synthetic Pretty Princess, chemically scented Jock, wannabe spray can ladies man. I'm anchoring a combination of the chemical ingredients and very gendered branding with the big brands. Side note, I used AI to help me with the fake deodorant labels, and specifically with this radical basketball skunk, one of many radical basketball skunks. How about Clean Age? All right, here's the product reveal. Solution introduced. I love how this scene turned out. Clean Age is all natural, smells nice, made for anybody. This whole product and solution reveal is about creating stark contrast and a breath of fresh air. It's not an antiperspirant, because fun fact, sweating doesn't cause stinking, bacteria does. Clean Age has an opinion on this. They don't want to disrupt a natural bodily process, sweating, which I think is a nice stake in the ground and I wanted to call out in the ad. So put down the synthetic stink stick and pick up some all-natural antimicrobial Clean Age. Here, we're just reiterating the problem and affirming the solution. We're also closing the loop on the bacteria bit that we just heard though, by adding in antimicrobial. I noticed that one of the ingredients in Clean Age is in fact listed as an antimicrobial, and that's not an angle I've really seen anyone take on deodorant. Sometimes a differentiator can just be something that everyone else in your industry does, but nobody is shining a spotlight on. Lastly, I had a lot of fun doing the sound design on this one. Just for comparison, here's a section without sound effects and then with them added back in. How about Clean Age? Clean Age is all natural, smells nice, it's made for anybody, and it's not an antiperspirant. How about Clean Age? Clean Age is all natural, smells nice, it's made for anybody, and it's not an antiperspirant. Honestly, I have no idea how to end this video, so I'm just gonna stop it here. It was a lot of fun, a lot of work. I hope it works for Clean Age, and if not, at least we had some good times together, us and Clean Age. Go buy some Clean Age, show these people some love. All right, see you in the next one.